Hello and welcome back. Today is a different type of video. We're going to be showing you all of the material needed to start restoring this vehicle. Now this isn't the only order I've made for this car, but this is a pretty bulk amount of all of the material needed to start putting this thing back together. Now it's all from various different websites and sources, but mostly I use Rock Auto, and I'm not sponsored by them or affiliated or giving any sort of money from them. I honestly just use them the most because they're a lot cheaper than a lot of the stores around me at this point. And for finding things for this Wagoneer is like a needle in a haystack since it's a 1965. So Rock Auto really helped cut down on that time with me searching to try and find all these individual parts and at the best prices. And anything I couldn't find on Rock Auto, I then had to source from other websites and find from where I needed, especially like I got some body bushings, which are going to be installing them on this vehicle too. Now, if you've been following this build for a while, it's a 1965 Wagoneer, like I have said in the previous videos, and if you aren't aware of this build or anything going on my channel, I really recommend for you to go down below, click that subscription button, hit the like icon, and help yourself to all of my wonderful videos that I have in here. My channel is mostly dedicated to teaching you any sort of little things I pick up along the way working on all types of vehicles. I also upload memes almost weekly, so go on and check it out. Alright, back to the haul from Rock Auto. We are going to be repairing almost every system on this vehicle. We're running brand new brake lines, a brand new master cylinder, a brand new clutch master cylinder, making sure we're replacing every brake component that needs to be replaced. We got a brand new booster to install there, which this is actually for a Land Rover, as we couldn't find the original booster, but we actually found the one that does the same style system as this one, but it's made a little bit differently, but we're going to retrofit it and get it in there. We have brand new components for almost anything and everything that you could think of, and this is just the beginning. We still have to get brand new weather seals for it, for the doors. Then we have brand new shocks right here, which we're also going to be installing that on the ride. We have a lot of good new parts to make sure this is going to be a very good functional vehicle. Now stay tuned if you want to see the rest of the progress on this Wagoneer getting built. Thanks again guys, and I'll see you next time on my latest video.